Hi children, today's class will be on common factors. It is a previous video I showed you how to find the factors using two methods. So you can use any method to find the factors. And one more additional information we are going to find here with the common factors of two numbers. So this is under chapter 5 and under exercise 6. So I have took example sum, find the factors of the number, then list the common factors of that particular two numbers. So here I have written factor of 12 and 15. So first I am going to find the factors of 12. So starting with one table, 1 12s are is 12, and then 2 6 are 12, and then 3 4s are 12, and then 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12. So these are the 6 factors for the number 12. So next, factors of 15. So 1 15s are 15, 2 table will not get 15, and 3 table 3 5s are 15, and then 4 table 5 table 4 table will not get 15, and 5 table 5 3s are 15. So I have already written 5 3s are 15. So 6 7 8 9 10 will not get 15, and 11 12 13 14 also will not get 15, and directly 15 table 15 1s are 15. So I have written we got totally 4 factors for the number 15. So now after finding the factors for each number 12 and 15 separately, now we are going to find the common factors of the number 12 and 15. So now I am going to compare the factors of 12 and factors of 15. So now which is common number here? Common factor 1 1. So round it. 1 1 is common, and then 2 is not there, 3 is common, 4 is not common, 6 is not common, 12 is not common, and also 5 and 15 is not common for the number 12. So totally we got 2 factors which are common, 1 and 3. So the common factor of 12 and 15 is 1 and 3. It's nothing but in one table and 3 table only we'll get 12 and 15. So these two numbers 12 and 15 are that is commonly divisible by the table 1 and 3. So we'll just show you one more sum. 14, I'll just take 14 and 21. Okay, so first factors of 14. So how many times? One table 14 times, 2 tables 7 times, and then after 2 table 3 4 5 6 is not divisible by this 14, and 7 table 7 2s are I've already written. After 7 table 8 is not possible, 9 is not possible, 10 table will not get 14, 11 12 13 also will not get 14, and in 14 table will get 14. 14 1s are 14. So totally we have 4 factors for this number 14. And then factors of 21. Okay, so again 1 times 1 table 21 times, 2 tables will not get, and 3 tables 3 how many times? 7 times. And then 4 table will we get 21? No. 5 table? No. 6 table? No, we will not get 21 in 6 table. 7 table? Yes, 7 3s are will get 21. So I have written already 7 3s are. And then 8 table? No. 9 table? 10 table? And then if you take 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 also will not get. And finally 17, 18, 19, 20 also will not get, and then finally 21 table. So in 21 table 1 times you will get 21. So here also for the number 21 we have 4 factors. Okay. So then after finding the factors of 14 separately and 21 separately, common factor we are going to find. Factors of 14 and 21. So which are the common factors? 1, 1. 2, no. 7, yes. 14 and 21 are common for 7 table. 14, 21, no. So here also we have 1 and 7 as a common factor for the number 14 and 21. So this is the procedure and this is the process of finding the common factors for any two given numbers. So separately first you have to find the factor for each and every number, and then you can compare the factors of the two numbers and you can find the common factors of the two numbers. So hope you have understood. Thank you, children.